Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera G. Litera G. Letter G. The name of the letter in the Romanian alphabet is G or J or G. It is pronounced like G in good. Good. The target vocabulary for this lesson is gât, grotă, găleată. Now let's see what do these words mean. Gât, gât, neck. Grotă, grotă, cave. Găleată, găleată, bucket. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Girafa are gât lung. Girafa are gât lung. The giraffe has a long neck. Exploratorii au intrat în grotă. Exploratorii au intrat în grotă. The explorers entered the cave. Am cules o găleată de căpșuni. Am cules o găleată de căpșuni. I picked a bucket full of strawberries. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!